Okay. There are certain identification marks which have been provided, which has been identification for the purpose of identification. They have been given all the atoms. They have been given certain identification marks, numbers, symbol. Yesterday we have discussed about symbol, how it can be written, and which name should be given preference. Now, which name should be given preference? Yes, come on.
Ma'am, Latin
Ma'am, Latin
name of
word.
first.
Latin name should be given the preference while writing the symbol. Second is that when we
English.
write down the symbol, we have to write down the first word. But if already that word has been assigned to someone else, some else element, then the second word has to be taken into consideration also. But while writing the symbol of two letters, one should be what?
Ma'am,
Capital
capital.
and
other one
capital,
should be
and
small.
the second one should be small. So second mark of identification which has been provided to the atom is atomic mass. As you know, is atom visible to the naked eye?
No, ma'am.
It is not
No, ma'am.
possible that atom is naked visible. So can we see it under the compound microscope which is there in the
Yes.
school? No, it is not possible
No.
for us to see under that also. There are special type of microscope which is there. They are the STM, scanning tunneling microscope, where the image of atom was first time captured under it. Okay, so atoms are extremely small, extremely small. So is it possible for us to measure them with the same scale which we are having? Like we are having kg, we are having this gram. Can we measure them with the same scale? Is it possible for us to measure the atomic mass with the same scale using kg?
No, ma'am.
Yes? Yes or no?
Ma'am, no.
No.
It is. I am once again saying that if you have not been able to comprehend my question, please pay attention what I say. I said that atoms are invisible to us. They are so small, so tiny that even they are not visible under compound microscope. So can we use the same scale which is there for all the other substances to measure its mass? Like we are having
Yes,
kg
ma'am.
scale. We are having kg scale. Can we measure the atomic mass with kg? It is not possible. Why? Because that will be a very, very bigger unit. Then what to do? How to measure the mass? Because, you know, if I consider in kgs, if I have to write down atomic mass of one atom of hydrogen in kg, mass of one atom of hydrogen by using the scale kg, you know what it is? It is 0. Then 24 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It has gone even out of 10, 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. 1 6 7 3 kg. So is it easy to use this type of number if we measure
No,
it in terms of kg? Because it is really
No,
very,
ma'am.
very hard to write down this type of number is 0 and then point how many? 0 point itne 0, 24 zeros, then 1673 kg. It is really very, very hard and very, very, we will not have such sensitive balances which can measure this much negligible mass. for that, now what to do? Then how it has been, how it is measured is that it is measured relative atomic mass. Now, what is relative atomic mass? IUPAC, as I told you, that it is the IUPAC which frames the rules and the regulation in chemistry. Then, as it was not possible to measure the atomic mass in terms of kg or even in terms of gram, so IUPAC decided, accepted that there will be a different mass scale to measure the atomic mass, right? Like we are having different measuring scale to measure the length. And how is the length of the atom measured? What is the unit? Yesterday we have discussed about that. How can you
Ma'am,
measure the
nanometer.
size? Yes,
Nanometer.
nanometer. That is a totally different scale. Here also, IUPAC accepted the another scale, and that scale is called as atomic mass unit scale. What is that scale called? Atomic mass unit scale, which is used for expressing atomic and molecular mass, right? Now, how is it devised? It says that atomic masses are very, very small. So to express the atomic mass, we have devised a unit that is called as atomic mass unit. That is called atomic mass unit. And now what is atomic mass unit? Mass of an atom is very, very small as compared to the rest of. So we have devised a scale that is called atomic mass unit. And what is one atomic mass unit? The mass equal to 1/12 of the mass of C12 atom is called as one atomic mass. Atomic mass is considered as a standard atomic mass for comparing the masses of other atoms in carbon 12. Now, what is carbon 12 atom? It is an isotope of carbon. It is an isotope of carbon, and it has 6 electrons, right? And as well as it has 6 protons, right? So it was taken for the reference. For reference, what was taken? One of the isotopes, one of the atom of carbon, right, whose atomic mass was considered to be 12 units. The atomic mass of C12, this is called as C12 atom, is considered to be 12 units. Mass of one atom of C12 is considered to be equal to 12 units. 12 atomic mass units. For reference, it was considered that the atomic mass of one atom of C12 isotope is equal to 12 units, right? Okay. Then the atomic mass of the atomic mass unit is 1/12 of atomic mass unit, AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 of which atom? C12, right? 1/12 of C12. Okay. Once again say, it is a relative atomic mass where the atomic mass is expressed in terms of relative atomic mass. Now, what is a one atomic mass unit? One atomic mass unit is said to be as 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 of C12. 1/12 of C12 atom. It is an isotope of carbon. It is an isotope of carbon and having 6 electron and 6 proton. The atomic mass which was assigned to C12 is 12 units. Okay. Okay. So one atomic
Yes, ma'am.
mass is one atomic mass unit is 1/12 of C12. 1/12 of the C12. Okay. Now, if we have to find out the atomic mass of an element, it is the average mass of one atom of element as compared to with the 1/12 of the mass of C12 atom. So now whatever atomic mass is assigned to an element, it is a relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is defined as average relative mass of an atom as compare with 1/12 of C12. 1/12 of C12. Right? So the relative atomic mass is the pure number and hence it has no units because it is in relation with the C12 atom. Okay. If we say that average relative mass of magnesium is 24. If we say relative atomic mass of magnesium is 24, what does it mean? It means that one atom of magnesium is 24 times heavier, 24 times heavier than 1/12 of C12. Like if I say the atomic mass of magnesium is 24 units, it means that it is 24 times heavier than 1/12 of C12. Okay. Relative atomic mass of an element indicate number of times one atom of that element is heavier than comparing with the 1/12 of the mass of C12. So all of them have been assigned a particular number. Okay, all the atoms. And how you will define it? We will define it as average atomic mass in comparison with that of 1/12 of the mass of C12. For example, what is the atomic mass of this silver? Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So it means atomic mass of average relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.45. 35.45. Okay. Yeah, 30.5 times. What does it mean? It means that one atom of chlorine is 35.4 times heavier than the one atom of comparing with the 1/12 of the mass of one atom of C12. All right. So
Yes.
now, how do this atom exist? How do the atom exist? We have to find out that. Atom can exist in the two different forms. One is molecule and one is ion. Now, how molecules are different from ion? You know, when two or more than two atoms combine, when two or more than two atoms combine, what they form? What they form?
Molecule.
That is called a molecule. When? So, how can we define molecule? When
A molecule is
more-
a combination
huh.
of two or atoms.
Or in other words, we can say a molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound which can exist freely. Which can exist freely. So, a molecule is the one which contain two or more than two atoms. Two or more than two atoms. Maybe the atoms are similar or maybe the atoms are different. Now, if I say molecule are of two types. Molecule of element and molecule of a compound. Molecule of an element and molecule of a compound. What is an element?
Ma'am, it is the purest substance.
It is a substance in which all the atoms are same. All the atoms are alike. And compound is formed by the combination of two or more than two elements.
Element.
Now, if the molecule contains two or more than two atoms of the same element, then it will be called as molecule of an element. But if it contains two or more than two elements, but the elements are two different elements, then it can be called as molecule of a compound. I once again make it clear to you. If the two or more than two atoms, same atom combine, same atom, then they will form a molecule, but that molecule will be molecule of an element like P4. Here, 4 atoms of phosphorus combine to form how many molecules? 1 molecule. So, but all the 4 atoms of phosphorus are from phosphorus only. So, it will be called as molecule of an element. But if 2 or more than 2 atoms combine, but these atoms are not of same element, they are of 2 different or 3 different elements, then they will be called as molecule of a compound. For example, K2Cr2O7. I am having K2Cr2O7. What it is? Molecule of a compound or molecule of an element?
Ma'am, molecule of a
Molecule.
compound.
मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ K2Cr2O7. Now you just tell me that is it a molecule of a compound or molecule of an element?
Ma'am, molecule of a compound.
Okay. Now you have to just find out for me. I will write down some formulas. I will write down the chemical formula of some molecules. Now you have to classify that whether they are molecule of a compound or whether they are molecule of an element. Okay? Are you ready? Everyone. I do not want that only Prince and Aryan should do it. Okay. Now, if I write it like this, that tell you अभी मत कहना. S8. Let me write down all. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
S8 H2SO4. Then I will write C6 H12O6. Then I will write down O2. Then Cl2. Is everything visible to you? Cl2. Then
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will write down Na2SO4. Then here I will write down CaCO3. Then I will write down N2. Is it visible? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Anji, just raise your hands. Just raise your hands. Who want to give the answer? Only 2 students have raised their hand. What about rest? Okay. Today I will give a chance to Vaibhav Agarwal. Vaibhav Agarwal, what is S8?
Ma'am, element.
Element या molecule of an element?
Ma'am, molecule of an element.
Molecule of an element. Who else except Prince and Aryan? Who else has raised the hand? Girls, come on. Is there no girl? Kashwani, are you there? Kashwani? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो you just find out C6H12O6. What is it? Is it a molecule of a compound or molecule of an element? Come on. Who else can say? Dolly?
Yes, ma'am.
Find it out that C6H12O6. What is this?
Ma'am, molecule of a compound.
Very good. It is molecule of a compound. Why it is molecule? Aryan Jain, you give me the answer. Why it is molecule? Why not molecule
Ma'am,
of an
because
element?
it contains. Ma'am, because it contains, ma'am, atoms of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Ma'am,
It contains
so they are
atoms of different elements. It contains atoms of different elements.
Different
Suditi, 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 am I audible? Ronak, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji Suditi, H2SO4. What is H2SO4? Molecule of a Suditi, what is H2SO4? Yes, Vartika.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vartika.
ma'am,
What-
sulfuric acid.
I'm not asking
Ma'am,
you name.
molecule of compound.
Yes, it is molecule of a compound. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. मैं नाम नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. I'm not asking name. What I am asking is to classify them whether they are molecule of a compound or molecule of an element. Prince,
Yes, ma'am.
you justify that why this is molecule of a compound.
Because ma'am, it contains different types of elements.
Yes, because it contains different elements, like it contains hydrogen, it contains sulfur, as it contains oxygen. Okay, Aditi Jain. Aditi Jain. Am I audible, Aditi? Vanshika Goyal. Everyone has switched off the camera. Can you answer this O2? What is O2? Ronak. Ronak. Prarthana. What is O2? Come on. Whosoever is there in the class, I am asking Gurnur Singh. Gurnur Singh. Gurnur.
Yes, ma'am.
What is O2? Classify O2.
Oxygen.
I know it is oxygen. Classify it whether it is molecule of a compound or molecule of an element. I think you are not there in the class and taking interest in the class. Yes, Prarthana.
The molecule of an element.
Yes, it is molecule of an element because it is made up of two atoms, but the atoms are of same element. Because this indicates the number of atoms. ये जो numeral होता है, this indicates the number of atoms. Vartika Pandey, classify CaCO3. What is it?
Ma'am, molecule of compound.
Yes, molecule of a compound. Very good. It contains how many atoms of calcium? कोई बात नहीं, आप try कर सकते हैं. If nothing is written, it means
1.
1.
One.
How many atoms of carbon?
One.
Ma'am,
नहीं
3.
नहीं carbon. No. देखो CaC
Ma'am, 1.
1. Yes, because carbon के साथ कोई भी नहीं है. And O3. How many atoms of oxygen?
3.
Three.
atoms
Oxygen
of
3.
oxygen. Okay, come back. Dolly.
Ma'am.
Dolly. Yes. Cl2 को classify करिए that what is it? Is it an element or molecule of an element or
Ma'am.
molecule of a compound?
Ma'am, it is molecule of an element.
Yes, very good. It is molecule of an element and it contains how many atoms of chlorine?
Ma'am, only one.
No. ये देखो यहाँ पे number
2.
लिखा है.
Oh, ma'am, two.
2 atoms. Okay. Now, Vanshika Goyal. Prarthana Singh, again the question goes to you because there are students who are. Na2SO4.
Yes.
What is this?
Compound.
Molecule of a compound. How many atoms of Na sodium are there? Na2. How many atoms of sodium are there?
2.
2. And how many atoms of sulfur?
4.
No. 4 is with oxygen. S तो अकेला है ना? S is
1.
only 1. N2. Who will classify what is N2? Shivam Joshi. Although all of you have switched off your camera. Everyone has
Ma'am,
switched
please
off.
repeat the question.
What?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
I am saying that classify N2. What is N2?
Ma'am, molecule of element.
Yes,
Ma'am, molecule.
it is molecule of an element, right? Is the board visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Keep your hands down now. All the 3 students, keep your hands down. I just want to say that there are certain elements which exist alone, which can exist alone, like argon, helium, and then there is this helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. They can exist alone. They don't require any other atom. Neither they require atom from their own, nor they require atom from their, nor they some other atom. So what will these
Ma'am,
be
means
called
we can
as?
write them alone.
What?
Ma'am, means we can write it alone without using any number or ma'am other element.
They don't require anyone because their octet is already complete. Yesterday I told you जिनके last cell में 8 होता है, they don't require anyone. Why? That we will discuss in detail in chapter number 4, but here you have to find out. So what are they? They are called as monoatomic. What are they? Monoatomic.
Mono.
Okay. Now, if there are, we are going to discuss about atomicity. Atomicity means number of atoms present in a molecule of an element. Number of atoms present in one molecule of an element. What is atomicity of oxygen?
2.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
Atomicity of oxygen is 2, so it is diatomic. What is it?
Diatomic.
Like we are having chlorine. What is the atomicity of chlorine?
2.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
It is 2.
Ma'am, diatomic.
So again it is diatomic,
Diatomic.
right? Atomicity का क्या मतलब है? Number of atom present in a molecule of an element. Number of atom present in a molecule of an element. Like if we are having P4, what is the atomicity of phosphorus?
4.
4. And how many atoms are present in one molecule of phosphorus? How many atoms?
4.
4. Very good. 4 atoms are present in one molecule of phosphorus. If I write S8, how many atoms are present?
8.
8 atoms are present in one molecule of sulfur.
Sulfur.
So इसको कहेंगे polyatomic. What it is called?
Polyatomic.
Polyatomic.
Atomicity. What do you mean by atomicity? Number of atoms present in a present in molecule of an element. Number of atom present in what? Number of atom present in
element.
molecule of an element.
Molecule.
एक molecule में कितने atoms है? That will give us the atomicity of element. Atomicity, right? Atomicity of a molecule of an element is the number of atom present in the molecule. Okay. So the number of atoms in a molecule of an element is called atomicity. Atomicity is for this also, molecule of a compound also, and that we will discuss tomorrow. But tomorrow being Saturday, what will we do? We will do the practical, right? So everyone tomorrow will bring the